is converting, does he need to transgress a biblical Melacha on Shabbos and Yom Tov, or is it enough to just transgress a rabbinical prohibition?
No, I would say biblical. Must be biblical, yes. So even though we're not allowed to translate biblical or rabbinical, but I would say biblical. So this light is the best example. Turn on, turn off, turn on, and that's it.
Thank you very much for the
You're welcome.
Our next question regarding turning on the light on Shabbos during conversion.
Mm-hmm.
Is it still a biblical mitzvah? Okay, I guess biblical melacha. If the light is lit.
I was thinking about the same thing. According to some opinion, it would be still biblical mitzvah. So, but it's not going to be fire for sure. I understand what that person. The LED is not fire. Like it's we have almost all of our light bulbs are LED for a long time, right? So of course they keep like maybe like they would get a little warm, not hot but a little warm, right? But it could be, according to some opinion, the Melacha is building, right? Building that you build a circle, right? Circuit. You build a circuit when you turn on the light, or you demolition when you break the circuit, right? It's like mechanically, right? This light switch. Okay. So that's the issue. I mean that's the explanation.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
I don't know if I read in the Shabbos Home,
Mm-hmm.
one of the two volumes that still LED lights, they still have this component that kind of gets red hot like a coil.
Not LED. There is a one incandescent. It's a regular one. We're talking about this white like tubes, the old style. So new tubes are many of them also LED, but the old style, yes. I don't remember. There is a starter. I remember we have to buy starter and this tiny thing and put it in this. Light bulb in this lamp. What is it? Not incandescent, but whatever they call it. So in that lamp, yes, there is a element that gets in white, like so hot, like even white, or red, yeah. So that for sure. Then how do you know it's fire? So I'll say just explain very simply. So they will say I don't see the fire. Right, so but you put piece of paper next to this metal and it's going to catch a fire, right? So is it fire? Yeah, it's fire. You don't see it, right? Just because we don't see it does not mean that it's not fire. So in incandescent light bulb, like the old style, right? If you break the glass, you put piece of paper or match, then the match is going to go flame for sure. That's fire.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.